In this video, we'll discuss about what are airdrops, what are the different types of airdrops that exist, and we will try to identify these different types of airdrops in the Explorer with an examples. So let's get into it. So what is airdrop? This is a definition that I bought from ChatGPT. A crypto airdrop is when a newly launched project distributes free tokens to users, usually as a promotional strategy to increase awareness, attract users to their platform, and encourage adoption. So basically, you can say a airdrop is a way to attract users by giving free tokens to the users. And there are two types of airdrops in general that exist. One, push type airdrops, which involves no user action. And second is a pull type airdrop, which involves user doing specified action to be eligible for some type of airdrop, and user needs to claim their airdrop in order to get that airdrop. So let me explain how these different types differ from each other. So in push type airdrop, a project will have a list of wallet addresses that they want to airdrop, and they will directly mint the tokens to the user wallets or transfer the tokens to the user wallets. So this does not involve user doing any any action from their end. So project will directly transfer or mint tokens to the user. This is the first type of airdrop, push type. I will show you example for these two types in a moment. So the second type involves pull type airdrop, where a project will have list of wallet addresses that they want to airdrop, or let's say they can also collect the wallet addresses through a campaign. For example, let's say I am a project and I want to airdrop to users who has done some transactions in my project. So I'll run a campaign saying, hey guys, if you do some transactions here, you will get airdrop. So they will come and do transaction in my protocol. I'll get the list of wallet addresses. Then I will create, the project will create a airdrop contract, and it will transfer the airdrop tokens to that contract. So the airdrop contract will manage the distribution of these tokens to these users. The high level process is the project will create a Merkle root out of all the user wallets and the amount of tokens to be airdropped to each of them, and store that root in a airdrop contract. The users, when the airdrop is live, the users need to go to that contract and they need to submit their wallet address and the amount that they want to claim, and the Merkle proof required to verify that this wallet is a part of that Merkle root. So this is the second type, where users need to claim the airdrop from the airdrop contract. The type 1 airdrop is used by protocols which does not have good marketing presence or access to many users. So they will directly airdrop the tokens and hope that they will get exposure, like an awareness from the users. The type 2 airdrop is mostly used by the protocols who already have good social media presence and good users attention, where they let users come and claim the airdrops because they already have a good reputation, and this will result in users who are getting airdrops who are most active. And if we directly in the type 1, the disadvantages, when you directly mint the wallets, they might go to the inactive wallets. But in type 2, since the users will claim the airdrop, so it will go to the active wallets, and the project in the type 2, they can withdraw the tokens which are not claimed. So let's see the examples for this. For the first one, I will show the example from my wallet. So I am in my Etherscan wallet page on Ethereum network. To identify this push kind of airdrop, we'll go to token transfers ERC20, and you can see there is one. So to identify this, you need to first check the from address here. If the from address is something that you have not interacted with, which means most of the time it will be a push type of airdrop. For example, this is a from contract that I don't like, address or contract that I don't know of, which sent 0.001 some Y Rise Finance tokens to my address. So I will click this transaction as. So to identify this is actually a airdrop one, you can see this address that we are seeing has transferred to many addresses like mine, like the same amount 0.001, like which this looks like a push type where this contract is pushing tokens to these users. So like I did not do any kind of transaction or a claimed transaction into this, still I got the airdrop. So this is a push kind of, this contract has pushed airdrop to this wallet address. Now there are other push type of contract, like push type of airdrops as well. For example, I'll give you airdrop by 1 inch. So I have attended ETH India hackathon where I had to do some eligibility checks, and like I need to download the 1 inch wallet in order to get the airdrop. So I downloaded a wallet from 1 inch and I got some like 40 airdrops into that wallet. So the way it works is this is the wallet address that I created after installing that 1 inch wallet. Now some other wallet, like this is the airdropping contract that pushed 40 1 inch tokens to this contract that I created, like I mean the wallet that I created in 1 inch. Basically this is another type where users needs to perform some actions in a wallet or something like that to be eligible for airdrop. So I have installed 1 inch app and created this wallet address, so they gave this 40 1 inch tokens to this new wallet, and you can see there is a claim here which indicates that it is a airdrop type. So this is one way to identify. Let's see some other examples. I'll show you in base. So go to base scan and enter your address if you got any airdrops. Go to token transfers, and you can see there are many transfers here which I don't recognize myself. There is from here to this my wallet, from here like Snowy Owl, Bull Run Meme, and AchieveX. Let's see this one. There is multi-send. If you go into this transaction hash, see this is also a push based airdrop. You can see this contract is pushing to all these wallet addresses. And for example, let's see this one, based coin. See airdrop ERC20. If we go here, this is also push based airdrop. Now like there are many examples like this, like Arbin, Arbitrum and Polygon. I'll just skip and directly go to the second type, pull type. So I haven't done any pull based airdrop, so I'll show you another wallet which has done. So this is a transaction hash that I found, which a wallet address that done pull based airdrop. So this is the wallet address that I found, and this is the contract address of Uniswap airdrop distributor. Basically a Uniswap protocol created a airdrop contract and deposited airdrop Uniswap tokens into that contract and built a Merkle root for all the users who are eligible for this airdrop and stored in the contract. And this user, specific user, has gone to Uniswap claim page and they have clicked claim button and they got the airdrop. Basically you can see from address is from the user, which is user initiated. User has to come and claim. So you can see like once the user has claimed, the tokens are transferred from the Uniswap contract, airdrop contract, to the user wallet address. If you want to see exactly like the logs to identify if this is actually airdrop, you can see there is a claimed event in logs, which shows what is the account that claimed the airdrop and what is the amount. And you can see as I told you, in order to claim the pull based airdrops, user needs to perform 3 things, like sometimes more than 3. You can see user is passing index, account and amount, and there is a Merkle proof. This Merkle proof is what used to verify that this account is actually holding the like this account is actually eligible for claiming the airdrops. Yeah, so this is the pull based airdrop example.